journalist who we always like to keep informed on the workings of NSSA. Thank you for attending. In essence, we've always sought to move towards a new dispensation, where in 2015 July, when we were inaugurated, the ambition for us and the task we were given by the Honourable Minister was to try and realign NSSA to really deliver back to pensioners and all stakeholders in the manner that NSSA was set out to do. So today, beginning the second half of our term, it's obviously important for us to tell you what we believe we've achieved. Although I am talking, I know many of you are scribbling, there will be a complete printout of this whole press statement delivered to each of you at the end of what I've got to say. Let me start with a couple of key messages. The intention is I'll go through the press statement and then I'll open up largely for you to ask the questions you've been itching to ask. But there's a couple of key messages. The first of which is in a mere 20 months, the board has gone through a number of painful exercises to really contain operational cost, to introduce cultural change, to restructure the authority, and ensuring that we deliver on more meaningful investment income, collection of our debtors, and to ensure that at the end of the day we can start to deliver back to the beneficiaries, the pensioner, some real dividends and some real fruit. We've taken the first step towards paying an enhanced and sustainable pension. We're looking at an upward review of the pension payment. This is well underway. We're reviewed to delivering an increased pension, certainly within the second quarter of 2017. We need to do so responsibly. We need to do so in a sustainable manner. Therefore, we have called in actuaries who are both ILO and Social Security experts to validate the premise upon which we will increase the pension. We also want to introduce a funeral enhancement benefit, an enhanced funeral benefit. This will be valued at $500, and this will be given to all pensioners in addition to the existing funeral grant of $300. This will begin 1 April 2017. This funeral benefit is really a service that we'll be offering the pensioner, and I'll go into more detail on what that entails later on. We've also want to report back on NBS, the National Building Society, which opened its doors less than 12 months ago, but today speaks for 1,164 housing units in at least 4